always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Petition to do the news outside today.
Yes. I vote for that.
I second
everything
outside today.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what a perfect day. Temps in the 60s. We maxed out around 61, but it didn't even feel that cold, right? We've gotten used to this deal. This morning temperatures were in the 50s. Fascinating today as far as the numbers. 71 will go down as the official high temperature at 1:38 a.m. Then we dropped into the 50s at 9:07. That was the low, and now we're back almost down below 60 degrees again, and that's going to set us up for a very chilly night tonight. Temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Difference will be we'll wake up colder, but tomorrow afternoon will actually be milder than today, so we'll crack 70 again, and that warming trend continues heading into the weekend. But along with that, some showers coming up for Saturday. Have you noticed the sky today? The air quality has dropped a little bit because there's prescribed burns up in Palm Beach County, and the north wind has been taking that down into Broward and Miami-Dade. Gorgeous skies, it's what it's making it, but if you're sensitive in one of those sensitive groups, just keep in mind we're down into the yellow here, so unhealthy for SGs, and that's about, I think, the way it's going to stay for the rest of the evening. Temperatures right now in the low 60s. It'll be very short before we go, very quickly before we go into the 50s here. We're running anywhere from 11 to as much as 18 degrees colder in the last 24 hours, courtesy of this north wind that's driving in the cold air. That's been running over the relatively warmer Gulf, right? And that's what's been creating these puffy cumulus clouds that kind of just join up together. Stratocumulus deck here. That doesn't happen over land, though. It needs the water to get that going. But an interesting perspective with the satellite always this time of year when you get these cold fronts. If you're planning out an evening tonight, obviously, you're going to want to prepare for some cold temperatures. We're going to be into the lower 50s, and that's going to set the stage for, I think, even some upper 40s as we head through the afternoon. Sunny and milder for Wednesday, and the temperatures, this is the way it's going to go down. Upper 40s through the morning hours. I think some areas could be dipping into the mid 40s. Miami should be holding into the upper 40s to lower 50s. Always a little milder at the airport there, and tomorrow morning will be no different. Same deal on Thursday with the next weather 7-day forecast. Will take us into that warming trend on Friday, mid 70s. Approaching 80. Slight chance of a shower ahead of the next front on Saturday, which will cool us back down for Sunday and early next week.